You ready? Hi. Look at him. What's up, fam? It's your boy Roscoe, Recipe Redemption. Today we're looking at Eric Gross's Instant Pot Pasta Bolognese. It has 2.3 stars. Let's look at the reviews. Paella76 says, beware. That's kind of all I need to read. Second comment says, this was awful, that's rude. I had to take the pasta that was uncooked off the top of the meal and cook it after the Instant Pot was done. Last one says, formidable. We're just gonna get into it. It has rotini pasta, it has cocoa powder. Eric, I'm gonna help you out, you're gonna help me out. We're gonna try and take this 2.3 star recipe to a 5-star. Redeem it! I've never used an Instant Pot before. I don't understand how to cook this way, but we're gonna figure it out, okay? Oh, I hear a lot of beeping. Can I get a hand?
Laura, can you help him?
All right, we are here to redeem myself. A little glug of Ollie. Little Ollie. Same ground beef, same components. You gotta break up your meat. All right, all those vegetables we are not going to use. We're doing one of each because it's not about the vegetables in Bolo. It's about that meat. Chopping vegetables is my favorite thing to do. Am I a fan of the Instant Pot now, guys? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Read your mind in the comments.
Yeah, I'm not taking any meat out. Like I said in the beginning, we're not taking anything out. We're building depth of flavor. All right, garlic. Pancetta. Listen, putting cured meat in sauces is one of the most amazing things in the world. Total 6-star ingredient vibe, you know what I'm saying? Just saying, 6-star. You're gonna let that stir. You wanna render. Let's go get some thyme real quick. Bay leaf, awesome. All right, tomato paste, tube versus can. Tube versus can. Tube wins, always. You wanna know why? Because you don't have that can left over of all that crusty stuff. And you can do stuff like this. I'm gonna stir it up before I add my wine. Oh! White wine and tomatoes work the best. I just personally think it keeps things redder. That makes any sense to you? Another 6-star addition with that pancetta. Add your white wine, stir it up, lean back, grab your bottle. Hit me up in the comments. My next move.
Stock.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Why she? The 2 cups, right?
Yeah, now you need my help.
Did you get my face? Towards Hetty. Now it's time for crushed tomatoes, the star, and with those, half cup of cream's going in. Boom, look at this. See this? Look at this. A nub of Parmy. That is 6-star like crazy. It just melts throughout the whole thing and makes it super creamier. So when you throw your noodles in there, it kind of tosses over. Oh gosh. It's gonna pressure cook for 2 to 3 minutes. We're gonna take off the top, add the noodles, cook the noodles for another 2 to 3 minutes. Are we ready? Oh, it's not that bad.
Don't do that, don't do that. Don't encourage people to do that. No, 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 no.
Don't do that at home. Hit me in the comments. How long is this gonna go on? What do you guys say? Insta? You say instant? Do you own one? You ready? Hi. Look at him. Way more liquidy, more yield, more sauce. All right, we're turning it back to saute. All right? Let's give it a taste. This is good. Season to taste all day.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on. Excuse me. Now let's talk noodles. You can use any kind of noodle. Today we have a tagliatelle. For one, it's thin. And it's an easy egg noodle to cook. But also, let's talk about this. But chef, it won't fit in my Instapot. Big no-no. Big no-no in the world, but you know what? Today, I'm gonna do it. Are we happy?
Yes, chef.
We're happy. We're gonna kind of do a little pop, boop, pop, beep, pop, 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 boop, pop. Leaving it open will also reduce a little bit more. So we have this like even creamier texture. Hey, let's go. We're getting a noodle cook just from leaving it open. Again, I treated the sauce as if it was a pot of water. You feel me? You want a creamy, simple bolo. The difference between my 5-star redeemed recipe to Eric's is, for one, you can see the color difference. It's not as dark because I don't have cocoa powder. It's looser. Like, look at the fluency of it. You see it? The consistency of it. It's more like a traditional meat sauce. The noodles are obviously a big factor. I like a mountain.
Oh my gosh, you should work at the Olive Garden.
I like a glug. Some basilico. I can see you adding parsley to this. Tear this sucker like you do at a pizza place.
Looking good, chef.
Yeah?
Yeah, look at you. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
You guys feeling it?
All right, you ready to try it?
All right. Ooh, Papi Chulo. Feel that? You see that? You see that? The lime and the tomatoes. Boom! The creaminess is great from the Parmesan rind. The pancetta really pushed that smoke flavor away. But to be honest, it's really the star in this is the garlic and the carrot. I didn't know that was gonna happen. Where's Nicole? You ready?
Serve me up.
Let me see you plate that shit.
You should have like plated this up like you did yours.
I would have. You just took the plate from me, chef.
Look at that.
Right? This ain't no joke. I'm not even gonna watch her eat it. Y'all just let me know. Here she does. It's still. It feels like I invited you over for a Thursday night dinner. Right?
A Sunday dinner.
Sunday?
This is
Oh,
a
she said
Sunday
Sunday.
dinner.
That's a huge compliment from this.
To enjoy a Sunday dinner on a Thursday. Congrats, nailed it.
Oh, again. Give it up for Chef.
All right, send us home. Oh, wait. Uh-oh.
She's
I
back.
thought of something else.
What?
The pasta's cooked perfectly.
I was like, is she not gonna say anything about the noodle? Allrecipes community. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Eric, I see you, bro. I hope you see me a little bit too. I'm just showing this 2.3-star recipe to become a 5-star recipe. And maybe even a 6 when you do stuff like this. I can keep going. Redeem it! Want to help me say, this song of freedom is all I ever loved. This bolo's nothing.